Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you everybody? As you can see in the topic, this is something a hack which I learned from another YouTuber. So I just wanted to tell you guys, it's basically for beginners. If you're a beginner in crypto and if you're struggling to find coins, if you're thinking so many coins in crypto, where do I invest? Where do I start my first of all, there's no financial advice. Okay, everything you need to do research, but I'm just going to help you guys because I was a beginner. Of course, I'm also new to crypto. It's only 4 5 months now. So all about when you're a beginner, you will struggle what to invest, where to invest. This is there are lots of ways, but this strategy, which is I say as like a secret hack. Reason is when I say I always say right, do your own research, do your own research. That's what I'm going to do, but we are not going to do the research. We are going to follow somebody who is doing the research. That's the hack. Let me show you, let's jump onto the video and tell you how to find those coins. By the way, if this is your first time watching, make sure to subscribe. This is my channel here. I do more into make money online, affiliate marketing, and more into crypto. So if you can subscribe and hit the like button, I'll be be thankful to you guys because it will really help me to grow my channel. I really totally appreciate your support. Thanks a lot for that. Okay, let's jump on straight to the video now. It's going to be a simple and sweet video directly. I just want to tell you, for just a rough idea. When you come into as a beginner, we see all the hype around crypto. What do? They just wanted to see the coins, whichever the top coins, whichever the top best coin I want to invest. So many coins out there. People get confused. They just follow TikTok. They just follow YouTube. Please don't follow me, okay? I mean to say I do my own research, but what I'm trying to say is just don't believe me or any other TikTokers or any YouTubers just by whatever we say. You have to do your own research. Whether it is profit or loss, it is you who are accountable for it. Always that's the case with crypto and stocks. Okay, that's the most important thing. Okay, now let's straight to the video now. Just because you get confused with so much coins to choose from, the hack is we're going to leave this research part to those guys who are running big investment firms. We are going to follow those guys because those investment firms, they will not go and put it into those meme coins or so-called SHIT shit coins, which is like gonna pump today, tomorrow dump. They will not invest their those clients' money into that. They will invest only after doing all the research. They spend a lot in researching. So that's where I'm going to show you we can say it as a cheat code or three investment firms which are the big companies who are into crypto and they are helping their clients to invest in in these crypto coins. That's what we're going to follow. Let's see. The first one, there we go. It's called Alameda Research. You can see this company, Alameda Research. Just a background, just a quick. This company alone, if you know about FTX exchange, one of the biggest exchanges, it is run by Sam Baker Friedman, something. Yeah, this is the same guy who runs FTX as well as Serum. If you know about Serum, these are all both of them are his own coins, and that company is part of his STX. Sorry, one second. Let me close this one. Okay. So that's the just want to tell about this company. So one of the biggest companies, I mean to say, in terms of investment firm as well as research. So let's go and see what this big venture company is helping their clients to invest. This is what I was telling as a hack. The reason is it's simple, but people don't really think in this way as a beginner. This is where it is. See this one? Tokens, equity, merger and acquisition, then fund. You can see all these coins here: Solana, 1inch, Paraswap, Alpha, XDeFi, Saddle. Many, it's mix of both. All of them it will be, if you see, it's not everything in terms of the coins. Some might be some stocks as well. Okay, Oxygen, Maps, Perpetual. I know about this side and all. Okay, here we go. This is something I know. Oh my God, BitOasis is here. Okay, you know BitOasis, right? I have a link in my bio. It's BitOasis is a company in UAE. So these guys are behind them as well. So they are invested in BitOasis. That's good. So Drive Wealth, CM Equity, 3Commerce. 3Commerce is a bot. I also link to that. I also, if you know me, I do run bots. So I do run bots with Bitscap as well as 3Commerce. Both the links are in my description. Basically, bots are basically for buying and selling every day, 24 hours, even when you're asleep. That's the reason I do bots. You get small profits, But if you put more money into it, it make you more profit. But end of the day, it'll give you solid like 20, 25 to 30% per month. It even gives more. But that's really a good way to do money, make money through crypto. Anyway, I leave the link below, and you can see the other videos where I do, where I teach you about bots. Okay, 3Commerce is one of the bots. Coin98 is a token as well. It's a coin actually, big time. It's a big time. Oh my god, big time is the game, man. It's upcoming game. One of the expected more. Really, everybody are really expecting for that game to release. That's good. This is what it is. What I'm trying to say is this is here in front of you shows you all the coins invested by Alameda Research, one of the top investment firms, which you can follow. I'm not telling you to follow blindfoldly. You also have to do research because I have seen. I'll tell you an example. Some of the companies, being a Muslim, I do found some coins which I feel they are straight into like riba, into interest. I have avoided many coins like that. It doesn't mean that I invest in everything. No, I don't have so much money to invest. I only choose some of them and I've invested. It's not everything. So BitOasis I use. That means like that's something, one of the companies in UAE which is helping in free withdrawal of money. Check out my other video which I talk about BitOasis as well. So zero fee withdrawal. So that's what I see. Not everything I go and invest, but you have to do research as well. But you get a clear idea. Instead of thousands of coins, you already have like a listed of 10, 20 coins for you to choose from. So that's the good way to start your crypto journey. Okay, this is what it is, guys. First one. Let's go to the second one here. It's Pantera. That's top, guys. Whenever we come, go see this. Something should call portfolio, or it should be like investment, something like that. See, come and see this one. Just to give you an idea. The reason is, guys, these guys spend a lot of money in doing researches like this in order to get those best coins for their clients to invest. They have to show good investment return to these people. So that's what we are following as well. But it doesn't mean, like as I said, don't follow everything. You have to choose as well. See this one, top ones here. You can see again 1 inch Abra Akala. Okay, Akala is part of Polkadot, I think. Parachain, yeah, I've seen this. Alchemy, Amber. Anchor, that's good. API 3, that's a good one as well. Buck, actually, this is a stock, I think. This is a stock. Actually, this is a company which is, I've seen this one, guys. In the news, I saw this is partnered with MasterCard. Something, some partnership is there with Bucked. BAK, it's a stock, I think, yeah. So that's what it is, guys. BitOasis, okay, these guys are part of the BitOasis as well. They know that, they have invested in all the exchanges. That's the reason. These big companies, they know that makes money. So Blockfolio, okay, Brain Trust, Brave. Here we go. The Brave is one of the one of the browsers. Actually, they have a coin as well. Stellar, Circle, Coinbase. Here we go. This is an example for you guys how to go and choose coins like for a long term. This is not like pump and dump coins. Okay, make sure that it's not pump and dump. Okay, FTX. That's the Sam Bankman-Fried's exchange. Injective, CoinX. Okay, Mirror, Open Token, or Polkadot. Here we go. Ripple, here we go. Ripple Starkware. This is an example. Terra Luna, that's top coins actually. This is an example because I don't want to go through each and every one and tell you this and that good, but I've showed you the website. You can see Pantera Capital. You can see the websites. Go check it out. Doesn't mean you go and invest in everything. It's basically I'm telling you how to go about doing research to kickstart your crypto journey. This is what it is. Okay. And the third, we can call it as a cheat code. 1, 2, and the third one now is 3 Arrows Capital. There are lots of firms like this. I have chosen these ones. Okay, see this one. In this example, I was trying to say this. Aave is not. It's part of a company where it's part of the finance which it deals with interest and riba, all those stuffs. So I can't go into those things. So being a Muslim, you are supposed not to. Still now everybody are confused whether it is halal or haram. Nobody has a correct definition of halal or haram. So even straightforward, this one, I will not go into Dogecoin. I will not go into Aave. I will not go into Bitcoin as well. I don't have so much big money to invest. So it shows that, it's up to you. You can go into Bitcoin. I'm saying it's a good coin. But I'm saying the return will be less unless otherwise you have patience to go through all those ups and downs. So this. Although you see it, you need to do research. Avalanche is good. Aave, I will not even touch it because I know it is straightforward. It shows interest and everything. There are a few coins. I did a video where it says haram coins. It's very hard to say halal first, but in terms of haram, you can easily find out. Like those coins which is not allowed in Islam. That's the reason I'm telling. Okay, so there are a few coins like that. You can go through that. Solana is good. Okay, you can see that this is like straightforward hack, guys. Straightforward hack to find what the big guys are investing. Straightforward, you can start going through it, and here we go. They're splitting everything: equity, funds, yeah, gaming. I have not gone check this one. See, there's Nyan Heroes. I need to check this one. That's a good thing. Axie Infinity, but this one need to check this one. It's a good. I didn't notice last time. Anyway, that's good to know that this is how it happens, guys. Every time they keep updating as well, more and more investments they do. So that's a simple hack for you, where you can go start your crypto journey by following these top guys. But doesn't follow everything, please. There are things you need to go through it. Go through into CoinMarketCap. Go through the website, and then do your research, and then decide which is always best for you guys. Thanks a lot for your time. I don't want to drag this video. I want to keep it straightforward. You can say it as a 3 hacks or 3 cheat codes to start your crypto journey, or for mainly for beginners. Once you know technical analysis, all those stuff, you can do your own research. But these are all like a standard ones, for the long term. But if you want to make like quick money on all, that is like you have to look for those low cap gems. That is, you can get it in KuCoin. All the links which I'm talking about, it's in my description. You can check it out. All of them are affiliate links. Totally honest with you. The bots, all those exchanges are all affiliate links. I do get a small commission when you subscribe through my link. I'd appreciate that if you can do that. That's my income. I do affiliate marketing and I do crypto. Okay, that's what I do. That's a lot, guys. If this is the first time watching, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. It will help me to grow my channel, and you'll get more and more ideas whenever I do the next videos. Thanks for your time. See you in the next one. Bye.